gorgeous, how are you doing? Look, it's Laura. And this is Pete, who you don't know yet. So Pete's going to do photographs, and Laura, as you know, is teaching me how to do the modelling. It's a learning photo shoot. Laura's teaching me to do the photos. Pete is doing the photos because Pete's a photographer. I'm not nervous at all, and there's lingerie going to happen as well, which...
Exciting. I'm really excited for this. And I know she's going to do amazing. Rolling.
We are rolling.
So Laura's doing my makeup first, and dancing.
Dancing. I'm a dancer makeup artist. I don't pay extra. Yeah, I don't charge extra for the dancing.
Dancing included.
Yeah, dancing always included. Oh no, she has got fabulous skin.
It's true, I do.
Yeah. She does. And this foundation as well. I think I'd mix the two.
Botox and filler.
I know, I love a bit of Botox.
I'm basically a skeleton.
Who doesn't love a bit of Botox? We're going to go for some rosy golds, because Danielle, very warm, which I wanted to do like the typical sort of bronzy colours, but then I wanted a bit of pop of colour, so I thought if I went for a pink with a bronze, so it's like the rose golds, I thought they'd work best with the skin tone. And I think with Danielle's skin tone, you need to avoid things like blue, no. Silver? No. It's like a big no-no. So we want to keep to the warm tones.
So you're saying all the money you have to spend on the Jeffrey Pallet Blue Blood palette?
I would just bin it. I would just literally...
Just 100 quid palette, I would just bin it.
Just chuck it in the bin. Or give it to me. Danielle is very fair. She likes to go slightly darker with the foundation, which I know makeup artists, we say that's a big no-no, you should always go to your skin tone. But I agree, I always like to look a bit more tanned, so I sometimes think a little bit darker is fine, as long as we blend. So that's what I'll do, is blend, take it down. That's just the primer, guys. We've got to do the foundations and everything. And in fact, I love your videos though. The funny ones are the best though.
Well, hi. Look at this. Laura did the thing. I like this.
Do you like it, guys?
What do you think?
I love it.
And Pete loves it. Look at Pete. Go team. Right there. And what's next?
Modeling. And breathe in till it hurts. As tall as you possibly can and face out, because we don't want a double chin. So always face out, shoulders back, and think tall. That's it. A bit. This is a bit fast.
So boudoir shots. So we've done downstairs, and Laura's doing it. I mean, coaching and doing the stuff and the things, and then the things and the stuff. And Pete's doing all the stuff with the camera. He's nailing it. It's going really well, and I feel so relaxed.
Oh, I'm so glad. Who knew that being in your underwear in front of strangers was so much fun?
So weird. so I've been really enjoying it. So now we're doing some boudoir.
I know.
Is it boudoir? Is this classic
I would
boudoir?
say boudoir. Yeah, I would class this boudoir. 100%. Ooh, I can't wait to see the finished look. I'm recording.
Oh, good.
Oh, good. Hi, Mum.
So we are done, and it was so much fun.
It was so much fun.
It was so much fun. It was amazing. Even if you don't want to do modelling, I don't want to do modelling, but just go and do some modelling.
This is so much fun, and she did amazing. Like, I can't believe how good Danielle was. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a mentor, but like, she was outstanding.
I had very, very good tuition.
Oh,
It was like,
I'm so like happy.
I was just watching you doing it, and then I was like, I'll try and copy that. Like,
Oh, so good. Honestly, guys, she is so good. So if you do want a new model to work with,
no, if you want to learn how to do modelling, I'd quite, but my hands are full of stuff, like heels and stockings.
come to me. But if you want a new model, go to Danielle. Oh, honestly, I'm so happy with the progress, guys. So happy.
It was so much fun. So our second photo shoot,
Yeah.
and our
Yeah.
third coaching session.
Yeah, third coaching session, but I think you nailed it today. Like, I don't think there's much more I can do with you because you've like set the bar.
We'll find things.
We will. We'll find.
My
things.
bum was out.
Yeah, I said next time thong, sexy underwear, and spray tan. And
Yeah.
that's like the whole.
And perhaps more outfit changes.
Yeah, more outfit changes and a spray tan, sexy outfit, thong, and then we're on to a winner.
Winning.
Winning.
So that's it for this one.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. I found it interesting. As always, if you like my content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that alarm bell popping up over there, or maybe over there, I think.
Right.
Yeah, behind me. This is the last show I put out, and below that is the one YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much. See you in the very next show. Bye!
Bye.
And we, rounds of
Bye.
Bye bye.